With a name like Azure Migrate and Modernize, you know we're talking about meaningful technology here. Joining me is Cyril Belikoff. How you doing, my friend?
I'm doing great. Great to be at Ignite.
Awesome. So tell us about this technology, and I want to say it right. It's Azure Migrate and Modernize, and there's more to it too, right? And innovation?
Azure Migrate and Modernize and Azure Innovate.
Okay, so tell us about those.
Yeah, great. Those are two new offerings we launched back in July, intended to help customers onboard and accelerate their value when they're moving to Azure. So that's the simple story. It's a little bit of a mouthful, but really intended to help our customers onboard to Azure as quickly and as fast as possible. We take all the resources, the training they need, the guidance, the tooling, and funding for partners to help them migrate. All in one place, simple, easy to go.
And I bet that's actually really needed, because if you have an on-prem thing, moving to the cloud is easy, but there's also some challenges that people need to. What are some of the challenges that people face when moving, and how are we helping them?
Yeah, they have to go through quite a journey, right? First, they have to assess their on-premises state. What do they got? What do they have to move? When do they want to move it? What's the highest priority? Right. And then they have to pick the right partner and move it forward. So we give them all the tools to go do that with Azure Migrate and Modernize. And then with Azure Innovate, we focus on more the innovation side of things. So things like AI, which I think we spoke about today.
That's right.
Analytics, and all the good new applications.
So, I mean, when people are like, oh, I know I need to modernize, I know to innovate my stuff, but it's quite an uphill battle. Why was it important for people to look at this technology, and how is it actually helping? Because that's the thing, like, people are watching this are like, well, I want to modernize, I want to innovate. How are you helping with this?
Yeah, it's all about speed to value. Okay. Right? And so, we have, since July, 5,500 customers and engagements engaged. Okay. And over 1,000 of them are AI related. Oh. And all of these customers and partners that are helping them are all getting the resources in one place, moving quickly, and getting their return to value. Now, AI has sort of changed the pace of things, right? And so getting to a proof of concept, a prototype, and then live has been like months in the making, but allows them to move in weeks. So it's really about pace and velocity.
That's amazing. So I'm looking at this. So why is it important that we have this program?
Yeah, Azure is deep and wide. Yeah. And so we want to curate and really give them resources in the right place at the right time for the steps that they're taking. So we've created this resource kit for them. And so whether they're doing Windows and SQL migration or SAP or a brand new experience with AI, we give them exactly what they want when they need it with the right partners.
So obviously we're at Microsoft Ignite. What are some things that we're announcing here with respect to this technology?
Yeah, great question. I just mentioned that resource kit, top request from customers. Hey, you got so many things inside these offerings. Just break it down for us, make it simple. So we created this resource kit with a brand new website. And now we've launched new capability in Azure Migrate and Modernize. Oh. Really important in that a lot of our customers have simple workloads that they want to migrate to the cloud, particularly around Windows and SQL Server on-premise. And we are allowing them to do it at no cost. And so the partners can nominate them, and Microsoft will do that migration for them at no cost.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's great.
Because there's going to be partners out there that are like, this is cool stuff, but it feels like an uphill climb. So this is absolutely important for them. Do you have any examples of customers that have done this? Obviously, no names, if you can, or who you can talk about. What are some things that we've done to help this, and how does this help move along the innovation and the modernization of their stuff?
Yeah, lots of customers. Of course, Windows and SQL, there's a large on-premise install base. So every single day, we have Windows and SQL customers using Azure Migrate and Modernize to move to the cloud. Literally every day, hundreds and hundreds with great partners. And then, of course, AI. Pick your industry, pick your scenario. We're doing prototypes, and I mentioned over 1,000 engagements in the last 3 or 4 months just with this offering. And so AI is also top of mind, whether they're embedding AI into new applications or existing applications, or migrating their data to the cloud so they can apply AI and reason over it. AI is everywhere. So those are the two big scenarios I'd call out.
And I love that, because, for us, at least in our group, I work in the AI group, since January, AI has really, it's the first technology I've ever seen where everyone else was telling technology companies or companies use technology, you need this. And have you gotten a lot of partners and customers saying, hey, we want to add this to our stack, how can you help?
All the time. In fact, we just, spent a lot of time with our best partners in the last few weeks. Their feedback to us was, hey, this monthly communication to us on the latest on AI is not enough. We need something every week or every 2 weeks. What are you doing? What are you learning?
Awesome.
And how can they evolve things?
Well, this has been amazing. I'm pretty excited about it. Make sure you check out aka.ms, Azure Hero Offerings. Thanks, Cyril, for being with us, my friend.
Thank you.